Hi, I'm Clay from EMF Rod Ends, and I'm just doing a quick touch-up on some things here. Some mechanics are having an issue diagnosing what the problem in front of the Dodgers are. They constantly just will not look at this bushing. I don't know why, but it seems so over their heads. They constantly go after the ball joints. Here's a set of ball joints. I think they're removed or something, but they put them in a guy's truck, and as soon as the guy's truck started steering around, man, they took them out right away because all the ball joints were shot. Now, this ball joint here is the loose one that they were worried about. There's no up and down play, no back and forth play, but it turns nice and easy. Normal one that they'll stick in that's new, you can't turn it really stiff, so it tricks you into thinking that this isn't shot because you put these in and the mechanic thinks, hey, I fixed your truck, because it drives straight down the road. But when this wears into this, your truck will start veering left and right between 11:30 and 1 o'clock. Well, 11 and 1 o'clock. So you'll go back because you'll be complaining because your truck steers all over the place, and the mechanic will go, oh, I know your problem. He'll put in another stiff ball joint. Okay. Meanwhile, you just threw money out the door because this ball joint's just worn in. It's nice. Well, all you have to do is fix this bushing. I don't know if it's because it's too hard to take out or they're afraid to spend a couple $100 on it, but they'll throw a new steering box in the truck. They'll throw a steering box brace in the truck. They'll throw a track bar in the truck. Like I said, they'll throw new ball joints in the truck, and it's just this bushing. I mean, guys will get that wander and they'll think it's memory steer. Memory steer is if you turn the steering wheel all the way one way and the truck continues to do a circle, or wherever you point the truck, it goes that way. That's memory steer. Wander, you'll get wander with our joints if this is loose. What wander is the truck's actually tracking where the wheels are supposed to go. You're feeling the play in this joint here. That wander between 1 and 11 o'clock is not our joint sticking. It's the ball joint doing what it's supposed to do. I'll give you an example. I can turn this with my fingers. I've stuck it in my teeth before and turned it like that. We're gonna take a new, I don't know if it's Moog or Memotech or whatever, but we're gonna put this little inch-pound torque wrench on. We've got it set at 45, and it's clicking. So it's 45 inch-pounds just to get that pin to start moving. 45 inch-pounds. So when you throw the weight of your vehicle and everything on it, you're actually putting a lot more force in it to turn it. This will keep your vehicle straight, but only until it wears in. Once it's worn in, you still haven't fixed the actual problem. I just really would like this issue to sink into these mechanics that just cannot get it through their head. Anyways, have a good day.